do you have? Okay, you don't have them. Clark, you'll be red, you'll be green. Those leggings do not go with them. It's weird because they don't go with the like.
Yeah, I know. I think you have pink and black.
Nice. I'm gonna put on some music because I don't like when it's like quiet here. It annoys me. Never look so blue. On the flawless rose later. Get him in here. Struggling.
Three near full, red!
Oh, ooh. Oh, 6, 5, 4, just turn on 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was a minute and a half. Yeah, they were here for a long time. Wait, what just happened? Oh, there we go. Oh, I like his headgear. What was he doing? Legal hold. Yeah, like if you see, oh my gosh, like a lot of the like people that wrestle in high schools, you would just see like the definition in their legs, like just when they're bending down, it's like definition. I'm like, especially if they're short, they're always like super stacked. I'm like, nah.
Keep that wrist! Keep that wrist! You know, they start to drag. Yeah, I know. Actually, that's great. Head up! Head up! Get out! Get out!
No. It's green. It's green. Really? Dang, you should just be a little kid now already having a state sweater, like, king cool. King cool. Oh, if he gets 2 more points, then it's a tech ball.
Two near 12, right?
It's done. It's 15.